Weighing scales are vital for measuring weight and mass. They deliver accurate measurements in grams or kilograms across diverse fields. Today, we'll explore weighing scales, particularly balance and digital scales, and their applications. Balance scales compare the mass of objects directly, balancing an unknown mass with a known one for accuracy. This feature is essential in scientific applications since mass remains constant regardless of gravitational changes. Traditional balance scales have two plates held by a fulcrum, with known weights added to balance the unknown mass. They've been crucial since ancient times for their precision. Digital scales use sensors and displays for quick, accurate measurements, favored in various applications due to their technology. Precision balances, especially analytical types, measure tiny masses accurately, often to 0.001 grams or less in labs. Beam balances have a horizontal beam with pans at each end. Placing an object on one pan and known weights on the other yields precise measurements. Spring scales measure weight through the stretch of a spring, offering simple, reliable readings. Balance scales apply in labs, delivering high-precision measurements essential for consistent results. Industries also utilize them for accurate material weighing in quality control. Regular calibration and testing maintain the accuracy of weighing scales. Calibration aligns scales with standards, while testing ensures consistency over time. Proper upkeep extends lifespan and reliability. The future of weighing scales is bright. Innovations like AI and wireless tech will enhance accuracy and usability. Balance scales and other devices are crucial across sectors, evolving with technology. They provide essential measurements for research, commerce, and daily life. For queries or integrating weighing scales into your projects, reach out to field experts.